Hey everybody, this is Dave here with MarineMax Oklahoma. Today I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of this brand new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 290. Starting off back here, you do have a manual swim platform, so you can drop down and use it as a step when you're out on the water. You've also got two rear-facing loungers back here that fold down to make it easy when you put your cover on. Got some storage and some cup holders, and then more storage here on this walkway. Moving into the cockpit, you've got nice wraparound seating with plenty of storage underneath. You've got a fridge, a trash can, and a sink over here. And moving up to your captain's chair, you do have a sim-rad screen on this. This boat does come with digital throttle and shift as well. You have a head unit on this boat, comes with a sink down there. And then making our way up to the bow, you've got more wraparound seating up here, plenty of space for all your friends and family, lots of storage underneath. So if you like this new Sea Ray or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by MarineMax Grand Lake today or give us a call. Thanks.